Hello everyone, it's Songling here. Welcome back to my kitchen. Today we are going to make prosciutto wrapped cod. I'll also make some mashed potatoes and sautéed asparagus to go with our fish. And without further ado, let's get cooking. As usual, you can find the list of ingredients and amount in the description box below. Peel and cut one russet potato into evenly sized pieces, trim the tough ends off the asparagus, and set both aside. Like I mentioned in previous videos, asparagus is my favorite and right now it's in season, but feel free to use whatever veggie you like. Now we've got the prep work done, let's make some mashed potatoes. Steam the potato for 20 minutes or until a fork can easily pierce through. I used russet potato because it has the creamiest texture once mashed and also because that's what I had on hand. Yukon Gold works great as well, and maybe stay away from those waxy potatoes unless you want lumpy and tasteless mash. Save those for stews. Also, I chose to steam my potato because I wanted to peel it prior to cooking. If you prefer boiling instead, peel and slice after your potatoes are cooked through, otherwise they'll absorb too much water and get gluey. Also, have you ever tried to take the skin off a steaming hot potato and accidentally dropped it on the floor? Well, I have, and it was frustrating, and that's why I switched to steaming. Anyways, mash the cooked potato with whatever potato mashing tool you have on hand. Mix in a tablespoon or two of room temperature or melted butter. Season with salt and pepper and keep it in a warm place while we get everything else ready. Thoroughly pat dry the cod fillet with a paper towel and season it with black pepper. No need for salt here because the prosciutto slices will be salty enough. If your fish is chilled or even frozen, make sure to let it come up to room temperature first so it'll cook evenly. Line 2 slices of prosciutto on your cutting board, place the fillet on top and wrap tightly. Add a drizzle of olive oil to a non-stick pan and sear the fish on medium heat on all sides for a total of 10 minutes. Alternatively, you can sear the fish on medium-high heat for 1 minute per side and then transfer to a 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 175 degrees Celsius oven and cook for 15 minutes. Either way, you want the center of the fillet to register 145 degrees Fahrenheit or 63 degrees Celsius. Let the fish rest for 5 minutes or so, and in the meantime, sauté the asparagus on medium-high heat for 2 minutes and season with salt and pepper. Mine were a bit overcooked because the smoke set off my fire alarm and I had to take care of that. If you are making this at home, make sure your fan is on. Now plate our prosciutto wrapped cod with mashed potatoes and vegetables and time to enjoy. The fish is tender and flaky and it pairs really well with our prosciutto. This recipe is pretty easy and quick to make, great for dinner on any given day. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment down below if you have any questions. I will get back to you as soon as possible. Subscribe if you haven't. I upload every Monday and Thursday. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye!